Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why you should use ActiveCampaign. It's an easy and effective tool for your email marketing needs. If you want to give it a try, I've included a link in the description below where you can sign up for a free trial or log in if you already have an account. Let's dive in. The first reason to use ActiveCampaign is its powerful email automation. ActiveCampaign offers an intuitive drag-and-drop automation builder that allows you to create highly customized workflows. Reason number 2 is its integrated CRM. ActiveCampaign is more than just an email marketing platform. It also includes a built-in CRM to manage your sales pipeline. This integration allows you to keep track of customer interactions and manage leads all in one place. The third reason is advanced segmentation and targeting. ActiveCampaign lets you segment your audience with precision, allowing you to create personalized and targeted email campaigns. Reason number 4 is extensive integrations. ActiveCampaign seamlessly integrates with over thousands of apps and platforms, including popular tools like Shopify, WordPress, and Zapier. The fifth reason to use ActiveCampaign is its detailed analytics and reporting. ActiveCampaign provides comprehensive reports that help you track the performance of your campaigns. And before we end this video, I want to invite you to a free training on building your email list while earning high-ticket commissions. My team and I have been using this method to make over $3,000 in commissions while growing our list for free. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, just click the link in the description to sign up. Thank you for checking out our video and for your ongoing support. It's greatly appreciated.